I started bowling. I've been bowling for years, but I started playing on a team in ninth grade. Probably, probably the first time going to a game is like half the team was like brand new at the time, so it was like we were all sharing the experience. We've improved a lot. We've got a lot of new players. We've been doing a lot more one-on-one type practice to help people improve. We've been not just getting the highest score, but working on form and how you're bowling. For me, I have scored a 205.
I it's hard to remember, but I think it's been 8 or 9 years, maybe. I'd have to go back and double check, but I enjoy doing extracurricular things with students outside of school. It's fun to interact with them, in a sport as opposed to just interacting in a classroom setting. So it kind of you get to see another side of students and kind of have a different, it's different from the teacher-student relationship in class. We've had some pretty good years. There was one year that the girls made it to sub-state, and that was the farthest that either of our teams have ever made. And then we had a couple years where I had one of my boy bowlers make it to the state competition, the individual state competition. So those were all good years because we got to go beyond just the regular season and do some of the postseason competition. I think the team has become more cohesive. They work together a lot more than they did when I first started. We've been lucky to have a lot of really strong bowlers come through who already had experience, and they've been very open to helping other bowlers, and everybody really wants to see, there's not a lot of competition between people on the team, like, I want to play, no, I want to play. They help each other, and they all want to see each other do well and be able to play. So I can't remember the highest individual average, but I know we did have a match this season where we beat Collierville 23-0. So that was a good score.